So here we go. 3 cycles, a trainer, fins, accessories, weights, all his medals from marathons, and many small things needed a place. Vertical bike storage was the best solution here. So we mounted hooks, brackets, and other hardware only on studs to have most stuff on the walls. Other things also needed space, and hence we made the drawers. The whole space is really efficient now. When the Iron Man practices and you know all the effort you took to create this space for him to accommodate just about all that he needs, it's a space well designed. For inspiration, we've rounded up some elements of Iron Man in this cabinet. They were thoughtful enough to please any sophisticated design enthusiast, but even more importantly, this wall art gave a huge wow factor.
Welcome to my space. I'm Johan and I'm a triathlete and I finished my first Ironman. Ironman is known to be one of the most difficult one-day races in the world, and it consists of 3 sports. Namely, it starts with swimming, that is 3.8 kilometers swimming, then 180 kilometers of cycling, and then 42.2 kilometers of running. And hence there is a need of equipment for 3 disciplines.
Because of these 3 sports, there is a lot of requirement of gears, and previously they used to be lying around in the house, but due to this cabinet, every gear has now a space of its own, and it can be arranged properly and neatly, and I'm happy for that.
So now there's no mess lying around the place, and even mama doesn't tell me to clean this up every now and then.
Yeah.
And there is space for everything.
I don't have to remind him that just clear up the room, and that's a good part.
And I also wanted something trendy, something cool, and I also wanted these hashtags. These are actually triathlon hashtags, and there's a nice picture and all. It looks really nice, really funky.
I myself am an artist and I'm really inspired by the art, and Sonia has done a very lovely job here, and the space is well utilized, optimized to its best. Our family is also into sports. I myself I'm doing cycling. My husband does cycling and he also does marathons. So even our equipments, our cycles are properly fit into this wall, and the whole thing has come out really well.
You are an Iron Man! Maria from the UK, you are an Iron Man!
Johan!
Buddy, you don't have to look at your watch. You're on time. It's no problem.
The best part about designing this cabinet was it's designed for Johan, who's one of the youngest Ironman of this country, and he was just 19 when he finished this. So when we designed this cabinet, we kept a lot of things in mind, like the functionality of the gear and the space, because there is so much that goes into this triathlete's equipment, the cycles, the yoga mats, the weights. There are so many things like flippers. So what we actually did was, we actually measured the entire gear. We measured his cycles, we measured the flippers, we measured everything, even his trainer for that matter. And then we made space in the cabinet in such a way that the entire gear went into it. The other good part, which is a creative, and that is something we always do, Deepa is also an artist. So both of us could actually even visualize the entire cabinet. We wanted to make it really funky, so we got wall art done on it. Pranali did an excellent job painting that wall, and if you saw the cabinet, it's pretty trendy and it's very inspiring. So that's the best part of the cabinet, and that's what I love designing.